Hello guys, NautoAisDx once again, and I'm gonna give my thoughts on the EA conference. So I finally get to watch it, the rerun, because I couldn't watch it live. So I knew already what the situation, like what they were talking about. So first of all, the thing that popped in my head that interesting, Mass Effect Andromeda, which is part 4. That's gonna be holiday 2016, so it'll be a long time, so could be interesting. I did play the Mass Effect. Hopefully no more of that controversy ending. So let's see. Plants vs. Zombie Garden Warfare 2. I played the first one. Tower defense shooter. Whatever, it's fun. Let's see. Mobile games, yeah, kind of weird. Minion, they really talked about that. And little advice, EA, E3 is not the place for mobile games. I know there's a lot of mobile games or something that's popular, but not the place. You probably some Apple or Android convention. Let's see what else. EA Sports, unfortunately, I'm not really that interested, but they had some legendary guest stars, so that's pretty good. But again, not a sports fan. That's why my Megamix game showcase, lack of sports to some extent. Sorry. Let's see what else. Need for Speed, yeah, it's a racing game. Another better version. They done it a bunch of times, so probably interesting. And then Star Wars Battlefront. I did play one of the Battlefront at one point, long time ago. It's just basically a multiplayer shooter. So again, looks interesting. I might check it out. So there's not really much for me to say about EA's conference. I mean, it's pretty good. It is interesting. So maybe those games might once they have more information, especially Mass Effect 4. That's the one I think I'm looking at. That's interesting to me. But overall, it's pretty good. So if you like those games, great. If you're an EA Sports fan, there you go. Plants vs. Zombie for the family. Star Wars fan, it's interesting. So there you have it. So thanks for listening. That's it for now. I'll see you guys later. Bye.